Monday will be back and I will give them 4 days just to recharge because those national players will be out there next week and they will be in the training also. But it's a habit for me. Hindi kailangan because we need to have a lot of things to do because we anticipated the things the other team is doing because during that more than 2 weeks, I think most of the teams will spend that time to strengthen and to recharge and to get into top shape because going to the playoffs and we don't want to be caught complacent.